Ever wondered why some factories run like clockwork while others constantly scramble? It often comes down to mastering the essential principles of operations management. Mastering operation management, essential training for all sectors from Agile Leaders Training Center, helps you navigate complex production systems with confidence. It's designed for anyone overseeing operations, from production managers to supply chain directors looking to boost efficiency and cut costs. In just 5 days, you'll learn to distinguish batch, mass, and continuous production techniques, and to apply modern capacity planning strategies that adapt to shifting market demands. You'll walk away with skills to forecast demand accurately, optimize facility layouts, and implement scheduling methods that keep projects on track without wasted time or resources. This course brings together interactive lectures, real-world case studies, and hands-on workshops to ensure you can turn theory into action immediately. You'll collaborate with peers, solve real-life challenges, and leave with templates and models you can use back on the job. Ready to overhaul your operations and lead your team to sustainable growth? Join the course via the link below.